What is it, Linus?
I think you missed a little letter here, Linus. Can we build it now?
What is it?
Spider-Man Lego!
Wow!
It is awesome! Should we make it?
I've never seen Spider-Man Lego, have you?
We're gonna make it.
Wow.
Please, can we make it, Dada?
What's it got in it? What's it got
It's
in
got a
it?
helicopter, a building, and those guys, and that guy.
Look at Spider-Man Lego there. Wow. I think we'll have to maybe make that at the weekend, shall we?
No, we want to make it now.
What do you say, Linus?
I'll help you with this.
Linus, what do you say to Godfather David?